Hi everyone. So this is a Saturday morning. It's gray. Look at the sky. No blue sky. It's very gray, which is very good because for the last few days it's been very hot. And of course, here in Switzerland, there's no air conditioning, central air for homes. Well, ours doesn't. Our building doesn't. So we're on our way to IKEA. And we're here at Stadelhofen, which is a major station just south of the major station on the trains, HB, Zurich HB. So we're in Zurich, Stadelhofen. We're about to take a train trip up to Orlikon, and then we have a bus trip to IKEA. And from that end of that bus trip, we have to walk 147 meters. It's all in this wonderful app called the SBB app. Hi everyone. SBB app. So if you're in Switzerland, please download that app. It tells you everything at every stop. If you have to walk to get to the next ride, it'll even give you a map of how to get to that next place. So yeah, SBB app. Okay, we're on our way to, our train is coming in 4 minutes. So we're on our way to IKEA. Let's go on the next train. So we're on the train here. We just got on the train. It's Stadelhofen, and we're on our way to Orlikon. That's what the train looks like. Here on the train, let's look at the seats. We're in second class right now. And let's see if I can make this wider. Yeah. We're in second class. And
This is the main train station.
this is the main train station, HB. There are, I think, 6 tracks here across, 6 tracks across. Here's the train. It has 2 levels. And everything is pretty modern. Very clean. Yeah, it's a wonderful train station. And here's the thing. The system is so exact. If they say they're going to, if the train is going to be there at 11:15, the train arrives at 11:15. Actually, they give you the time the train's going to leave. And if they say the train's going to leave at 11:15, right at 11:15 it leaves. So it's a very accurate, exact system. There's Mary. So we're here at the platform,
This isn't right.
and excuse me. We're kind of lost. There's no other place to go, and this is where it is. It might be. So here we are, and let's see what the sign says. We're a little bit lost here, and we're looking for a bus. Let's go over there to that bus over there. 768. We just missed our bus, which is a B787, so we're going to wait for the next one. We're not in a rush, but we just have to learn the system. Over there, we heard that interesting music and we were lost, is the tram station. So we had to come past the tram station over here to where the buses meet right here. And we didn't know that. So on the map, it just shows go to 787 underneath the tracks and go to the other street. So we're going to just now, we're going to figure this out and let's see what happens. So we have some time. So I went over to the coupe that's over there and got this. I'm going to show you. This is very typical. This is a pretzel bread sandwich and lots of things. They come with lots of different meats and things like that. So as you can tell, I've chomped down on it. We're still waiting for the 787 bus. And so we had some time. We checked out the time and it comes in, what, like 6 minutes? So yeah, we're here at Olicon. And I'm eating, Mary's not eating anything. And we're just waiting for the 787. So we're here on the bus. This is the bus to Zurich. And that's what it looks like. Hi guys. So we're just going down the street here, and this is what it looks like outside. Like I said, it's very gray. It's a beautiful day from the very hot ones that we had in the last week. I'll see you deep. So we just got off the bus over there. That was B787. And it took us way over here in this part of town. We have no idea where we are. But I do have to show you one thing. This is the IKEA stop. And we're gonna go right on over to IKEA. And there it is. So, that was our trip to IKEA. We might do a video on the way back, but it should be easier because now we know where to catch the bus. We know everything else about the train, but that was the first time we took the bus and the train, two forms of transportation. Okay, let's go on into IKEA. So here's what we bought at IKEA. Man.
Well, this is what we're taking home.
Yeah, we bought some other things that are in order that are coming in a few days. A mattress, shelving, all kinds of stuff. I can't even put the list down. It's a long list. So, but we're kind of tired because when you walk around that store, there's so much to see. Mary said, "Do you see anything?" And I said, "I see everything." Too much. But we're tired, so we're sitting on a rock here. Here's Mary sitting on a rock. And there's two bags, this one, and this one. And when we get home, I'll show you, I'll get the stuff out and show you what we bought here today. Aside from the order that's coming, that's being delivered. The rest of it's being delivered. Okay, I can't even talk, look at this. So I will see you when we get back to our apartment. So we're traveling. Before we get home, I just wanted to show you the train again. And this is what I'm using to transport some things home. We also have bags. Mary has a bag as well. There. So I'm using this bike trailer, which in other videos if you've seen before, this is a Burley bike trailer. It's a Burley. And then inside it has, well, we have pillows and a comforter and some other things. And some rods. But it has two wheels. Here and here. I don't know if you can see that. And they come off. And this thing folds up and goes into this black bag. It goes into the bag. So it fits in, everything fits into that bag. So that's what we're using to transport. Here we are in Zurich HB, which is the big station in Zurich, the center station. And we're going to go one more stop to Stadelhofen. Yeah, I like that name, Stadelhofen. And so, from Stadelhofen, we'll catch one more tram home. And SAT. And then I'll show you what we get, okay? What we got from IKEA. All right, bye-bye. So here we are, and we're going under the tracks. We're at Stadelhofen, and in the big train stations, there's all of these shops, and you can see them here. So this is underground, and we are about to go up the steps over there or an elevator and go on the other side where there's some more shops. I'll show you when we get there. So we're here on S18. I'm speaking quietly because this train is very quiet. And we have 3 more stops before it's our stop. And we'll be stopping in Zurich. But I want you to look at the architecture of the buildings as well. These old buildings, look at that. And then of course we have a new building. This is called Belgrist. That's part of the city.
And I think the mosque is up here.
The mosque is up here. Where's the mosque? No, the mosque is... No, I don't think so.
I don't think we have.
Is it? No, I think that's at the bottom of the hill. We're looking for a mosque. But anyway, we're on our way home. We have a couple more stops and we'll get off. Hello everyone. So now I'm going to show you all the things we bought at IKEA. I'm going to put this on hyperlapse and put it on the floor here on this carpet. So let's open up all this stuff and put it out for you. Okay. Hello everyone, so thank you for watching this IKEA video, and thank you for coming along with Mary and I. We appreciate you. Bye-bye.
Oh, you found it.